Hello, Tridents. Welcome to the 2026 educational campaign. My name is Vedant, pronounced he, him.
My name is John, pronounced he, him.
We both are peer educators from UC San Diego's Hub Basically Center, and today we are going to play a short skit regarding budget planning.
So, given that a large part of living off campus requires budgeting, our tips are meant to aid in this transition. Let's dive in.
Dude, I just moved from on campus to off campus, and the expenses are crazy. Wi Fi, utility bills, there's no end to all this.
That's where budgeting comes in. It's not about cutting the fun stuff, it's about knowing where your money goes so you can stress less.
Alright, teach me the basic. What really goes into a budgeting?
So, start with your fixed costs first, like rent, utilities, Wi-Fi, and phone bills. So, for example, if your rent's $1,200, Wi-Fi's $25, and utilities are average around $6, that comes up to around $1,285.
Damn, that's already adding up. What about food?
So, buying groceries is usually more cost effective than ordering a takeout. Ordering a takeout will be around $50 every time, but if you have a good grocery list, it'll be around $150 to $200. So, luckily, stores like Grocery Outlet, 99 Ranch, H Mart, and even Vons, they offer great student discounts.
What about expenses like gas and bus passes?
Good one. UCSC's Tran U Pass covers more MTS and buses. However, if you drive, make sure you account for gas, insurance, and maintenance, which is around $150 to $250 a month.
And what about random things like cleaning products, parking, and all this?
Those are occasional and hidden expenses. I usually set aside $50 to $75 a month. And cleaning products, I recommend going to Walmart for any sales or Costco for buying bulk and splitting with roommates.
Okay, that sounds like a lot to track. How do you keep up with everything?
I use Google Sheets to log everything, but apps like Mint, Splitwise, or Notion can also help. You can also follow the 50-30-20 rule, so 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% on savings or debt.
Savings on student account?
Even $20 a month helps. I mean, keeping it in a savings account, don't touch it unless it's an emergency. Also use Venmo reminders or Splitwise to split rent and utilities with your roommate.
Any student discounts I should know about?
Definitely check out UCSC's Basic Needs Hub College Students Discount page, which features tons of deals on groceries, phone plans like Mint Mobile, and Wi-Fi with Spectrum.
Okay, I'm feeling a lot better about this now. Budgeting doesn't seem as scary anymore.
Exactly. It's not about being perfect, it's about progress. Track your spending for a month, see where your money goes, and adjust. You'll feel more in control.
And if I ever need help?
You can always reach out to UC San Diego's Basic Needs Help, where they got great resources such as personal hygiene program where you can get sanitation products like shampoo, body wash, conditioner, and more free stuff. And if you ever need clothes or household products, their community thrift is amazing.
Thanks, John. I guess it's time to make that spreadsheet and maybe skip that extra Latin.
That's financial maturity.